Pressed for time but need a polished presentation? This tutorial walks you through creating a professional, step-by-step infographic journey slide quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, begin with a fresh slide that already has a gradient background. Next, add a rectangle shape to create the base of the road. Now, add a block arc shape and flip it horizontally. Adjust the shapes to resemble a road. This will give our slide the initial structure of a journey. Quick tip: I've got 200 slides made especially for professionals like you. Make sure to check them out. Duplicate the rectangle shape and arrange it on the opposite side of the slide. This step ensures the road takes shape and looks continuous and balanced. Next, let's create a 3D arrow to enhance our design. Do you like what you see? Start by selecting a triangle shape, duplicate it, and adjust the size to achieve the arrow shape. Then, select the shapes and use the subtract function to create a 3D arrow effect. Now, add a rectangle shape to create a 3D effect on the right side of the arrow. Use the subtract function again to enhance the depth and make the arrow visually striking. For more design hacks and template ideas, be sure to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Resize the 3D arrow and position it at the end of the road. This placement signifies the conclusion of the journey. Let's apply colors to complete the slide design. Darken the right side of the arrow to enhance the 3D effect, adding depth and dimension to the design. And there you have it. Your step-by-step infographic journey slide is complete. For more templates and presentation tips, be sure to explore my other videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.